Today I'm going to teach you what a string is in Python encoding. So what is a string? So the definition I teach the kids is very simple. I say a string is words between double quotes. So we have double quotes here, and then we just put something inside. So I'll just do the classic hello world. Many coders have seen this a million times, so it's very boring, but hello world, okay? So this is a string. Python sees that it's a string because I have these double quotes. Okay, so whatever is between double quotes is a string. Okay, so how do we create a string variable in Python? So when we code, we need to create variables. Okay, so I'm going to keep it really simple, and this string variable, I'm going to call, it's very original, call it string. And then we're going to put a space, and then use the assignment operator, which is the equal sign, and put another space, and then I'm going to put in the string value, and then which is going to be hello world. Okay? String, space, assignment operator, equal sign, space, and then the string value, hello world. Now, how do you see this? Because this is inside the computer, you cannot see that, right? So we need to use the print function so we can see what's inside this string variable. So we need to use this print function. And then what do we put in here? We need to put in the name of the variable, okay? So we're going to use this. So we need to put in string, which is the name of the variable here. Okay, so with this, so Python will create a string variable, put this string value inside, and then it will print this what's inside the string variable. Okay? And so what will you see on the computer screen? You won't see any double quotes. So you'll see hello world. And then okay. So I didn't use an exclamation mark here, so of course there wouldn't be an exclamation mark over here. So it's just hello world with no punctuation. Okay, thank you. Today we learned what a string is in Python.